So when adding the Tiny's LEDs to the Sherman L or to anything, these are real popular, by the way. Tiny's LEDs are popular among the drones. That's how I learned about these drone. I was watching drones practice, and they told me about these LEDs. I'm going to use this rubbing alcohol here, or isopropyl alcohol, to clean off the surface area. So I'm thinking of adding the Tiny's LEDs. I don't know if I'll put them against this, like the battery box, and close down here. My concern is if my boot hits this, see what happens with the Tiny's LEDs. So one side sticky. When I ordered it with the 3M adhesive, which I highly recommend. Otherwise it won't be sticky on the back. You'll have to use your own adhesive. But this side, I was wondering what this was, and one time I bumped into this with something, and it broke off this material here. And then it's just like a blue light that you really, very difficult to see. It's like extremely small and extremely bright. And I don't think it's good to look at that. I taped it up. Let's see, where I did that, I taped it. Yeah, it's right here. That's the part that got damaged. And I just covered it with tape. But I've reused this many times on many different scooters and different things I've had. This time I'm, again, getting prepared to possibly use this again on the Sherman L. All that's needed when you buy this, it comes in rolls just like this. This is the actual roll. I'll show you right now. If there's time, this is a 3-minute video, 3-minute short video. This is what it looks like. So you go to Tiny's LED's website. It's 24 volts. It's 5 meters in length. The wattage is 5 watts per meter. 480 LEDs per MTR meter, width 4 millimeters. There it is. This color temperature is 6,500 Kelvin. So I'm thinking about adding that to somewhere down low, because I want it to look like, from a distance in the dark, I want it to look like it's hovering off the ground. So if there's no light down here, but there's a bright light up here, it may look like this is not touching the ground, which I like that look. And I would like to actually have that someday. I study anti-gravity all the time, and it's not actually anti-gravity, it's actually gravity. You're creating a gravity field to repel the Earth's gravity field. Apparently the way to do that is you just create what I'll call rotating magnetic fields within rotating magnetic fields within rotating magnetic fields. You just need a few of those, at least 2 or 3, and then you start repelling Earth's gravity fields. At least it's the starting point. Have fun.